Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to unbox and check whether the Bosch Aquatak 125 is really a worthy thing you need to buy for your car. We are definitely getting attracted with the powerful foam wash, and we definitely recommend one of the best brands, that is Bosch, for the same. So now here the challenge is the Bosch Aquatak really useful for our day-to-day car cleaning? So let's jump into unboxing. So friends, here we are with the box, and to save the time we have already extracted all the material from the box. So here the powerful Aquatak machine, and then we have the gun over here. We have a hose pipe, a gun barrel. Moving further, we have a soap dispenser, and then we have two different attachments for the inlet pipe, and the black one is the nozzle. So let's look out for the pump and its attachments. The all graphic representation is over here, how to install. And then moving forward for our model, this is the 1500 watt 125 bar special powerful non commercial, that is domestic model, and we have three different modes for the nozzle, 3-in-1 nozzle we can call it. And as you can see, the usages are clearly shown over here. So to start with, we can unwrap the hose pipe first. So this is the 4.5 meter hose pipe, which is normally quite short as compared to other competitors, but as we can see, the quality is quite good. It feels solid, and the connectors are quite prominent for the prolonged use. The pipe itself has mentioned the capacity of. So we need to get rid of the wire, and there is a handle folded around. As you can see, it can fold with the clicks and locks it up well. And down here we have a output hose connection. So by pressing this red button towards the hose, you can be able to release the hose quickly. So the connector quality is quite powerful. Now where to connect this hose? That is the most important question, and we have a special gun attachment which is ergonomically designed, and there is a special slot under this gun, and just need to press it once again. Same attachment, like a red notch is there to press it to release the hose. That's enough for the gun. Now let's check the water inlet source. So we have two different attachments over here. First is transparent and second one is red and black. So the transparent goes into the machine. By twisting it clockwise, you will lock it up inside the machine, and it will ensure that there is no leakage over there. You need to twist it hard. Now let's check how the garden hose connector will be attached to this transparent coupling. So it is quite simple. You just need to pull out the red outer shell over here, and it will engage and disengage quickly. I really doubt how it will perform when my hands are wet. Now we have a big red switch over here which has only two options, on or off. There is no power switch mode or any setting available over here. Moving back to our gun, the gun has a very good directive barrel, and as you can clearly see, there are notches, so you need to match up with that. By pressing it, it will lock it up, and then you just need to twist it to 90-degree anti-clockwise to lock. Now our barrel and gun is ready. Barrel has an opening with the attachment, so we are trying with the soap dispenser. It's quite easy. This all red things are nothing but the buttons to release the attachments. Now we'll try with the 3-in-1 nozzle, and I just love this thing. Just need to match with the red point of nozzle as well as the barrel. So you can quickly switch in different modes by turning it anti-clockwise. There is no pipe given with this machine, you need to buy it extra. And the tires seems to be a little bit smaller for the rough usage. So let's jump in for the practical use. We need to connect the garden hose with our red and black coupling over here. Now it's time to connect the inlet to the pump. We'll once again ensure that transparent coupling is well tightened, and that's it. We have also connected gun with the hose, and there is a 16 ampere big pin and a 4-meter electrical wire supply. Now we have started the machine, and you can clearly see the single point mode is quite powerful. We are trying it first time, that's why we are trying on the floor, and it does its job very well. Moving forward, we have a splash stream mode, and it is also very much powerful but disperses the water very cleanly and evenly. Now the special revolving spiral mode I love to get the car wet very quickly within few seconds. You can see the slow-mo how it goes spirally with no pressure on the car and utilizing minimum water. So to sum up, this review video will definitely give you a heavy recommendation if you have 2 or more cars and a big parking lot to clean, and it will definitely give an extra add-on to save water as well as time for regular cleaning purposes. So we will definitely come up with the soap dispenser usage and other dynamic usage of this machine. So please stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from SMARTDrive.